What's up, my crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin absolutely exploding. We've broken out from this downwards channel. Okay, we've been closing daily candles on the resistance, also at the support. We are clearly broken out now. I'm going to give you my opinion on what we need to expect for Bitcoin in the next coming hours and days, because if we break the $40,000 resistance in the coming days, it is going to be ultra bullish. We need a nice daily candle above these levels. We'll be going through this in today's episode. Also, we see some rumors about Amazon accepting payments. We'll have a quick look at this news, and also we'll take a look at the Bitcoin price here on the 1 hourly chart. On the 4 hourly chart, I'm going to give you my opinion on where I think the price might go in the immediate short term and what levels we need to take a look at. Also, Ethereum breaking out the $2,200 here, where there was major resistance consolidation here for quite a few hours, as you can see here on the chart. If we do come to these levels, I think it is going to be a major buying opportunity. We'll be taking a look at this today, guys. And remember, if you are interested in trading, PrimeXbt has the best bonus available, in my opinion, using my link in the description. And Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added to your deposit. Okay, you cannot withdraw this bonus. It is used for buying power. I have a full tutorial of PrimeXbt in the description. Phoenix has got also a very good bonus up to $1,200 by using my link in the description. I'm getting a small commission, you getting the best bonus, guys. Said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto. I'll also be doing live streams very soon, so make sure to subscribe and smash up the like button. You'll be helping me out insanely. And I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in straight into the chart. Taking a look at the price of Bitcoin, we did mention before in some videos that this was a major channel here, closing daily candles below the resistance and also below this support. On top of this support, we only wicked below the support from this channel. Now we have closed several daily candles. Okay, here today has been absolutely exploding, going from 35,000 all the way to 39,500, approximately over $4,500 pump, which is absolutely insane. So now, what can we expect for the price of Bitcoin in the next coming days? Well, to become full bull on Bitcoin, this is mentioned before also on the channel, we do know that the $40,500 area where we've closed daily candles below this range, as you can see right over here, it has been a super resistance point. Okay, the 40,500 major round psychological number. So as soon as we break this range, that is going to be the confirmation that the bull market is going to continue, in my opinion. This is going to be a clear trend reversal accumulation phase as soon as we break $40,500 with a nice green daily candle like we've done just today. So now, the bearish case scenario is very far away now. We were getting nicely bounced from the $30,000 range right over here. As you can see, we've closed many daily candles above this range. We have them right over here. This was in January, and also we only wicked here a few times, touching the $30,000 until we actually came all the way down here and just about closed a daily candle around this area. But we finally got a massive bounce, because this has been an insane support range. As you can see, we did not manage to break it. So if we manage to break this resistance, then it's going to be full bull mode here for BTC. We'll be looking at this in the next coming weeks. Very exciting times to come for BTC, in my opinion. Now, there is this news over here. Amazon plans to accept Bitcoin payments this year, claims Insider. It begins with Bitcoin. So is this true or not? We do not know, but this is enough to pump the Bitcoin price. The e-commerce giant is planning to accept Bitcoin, says an insider. We do not know if this is going to be true or not by the end of the year, but it is enough to get people FOMO'd into the price of BTC, as you can see here on the 1 hourly. So now let's zoom in on the 1 hourly and see what levels we can expect here for BTC. I am not sure if we are going to have some type of correction or a bear or a bullish pennant right over here to continue to the upside, but it would be ideal to wait for the price to come to you. We're always going to see some type of correction sooner rather than later after a massive pump, and the same if we have a dump, a retracement. So if we see this as the low part before the actual pump, the $34,500 range, which has been a major resistance, okay, in the past. We were talking about this yesterday. If we do break out nicely, well, we can clearly see that this is the start of the pump. So if we get the Fibonacci retracement point, put it all the way on the top here of this pump, then we do clearly see that the retracement at the 50% or 62% golden pocket, this is where we potentially want to start entering some long positions. In my opinion, you do not want to enter a long right over here because you do not know how far we are going to come. Wait for a retracement. This does look like a very strong green candle with some nice volume. So if we do retrace and the candles are here on the volume are going to be very low, so low volume, it is very likely that we are going to come and retest here the high round about the $39,500 area. But we want to wait for a retracement. So be patient, wait for the volume to come down here and the price to come also down to this range, which is the $36,500 range. Okay, that would be the range where I would be putting a long position. And why? Also because it has been a major resistance point and support here in the past. This is this red, okay? The retracement is this red box right over here, just at the 62% levels of the Fibonacci retracement, golden pocket, or even 50%. Around this range is $36,500. So if we zoom right over here in the past of the Bitcoin price, it has been a major support and resistance point we can see here. Now we can clearly see there has been major support at this $36,500 range. A lot of volatility. This is always plus minus $200-300, okay, up and down, because it's a very volatile market. We can clearly see resistance here at the $36,500 range, and as soon as we broke out, we came straight back here, and then it was clear resistance. This didn't manage to hold nicely as support. So right over here it was resistance, and also we touched it right over there as resistance, and this is the peak from this descending channel that we started. So we have clearly broken out this range nicely. So I do believe so that this is going to hold very nicely as support. I do not think we are going to go below the $34,000, because once you have a massive green candle like this and also this amount of volume, it is very unlikely to go the other way from the start of the pump. So any type of retracement here for a long position, in my opinion, is very good. It is very likely that the Bitcoin price is going to start pumping. Remember, for experienced traders, PrimeXbt has the best bonus available, in my opinion. 50% added to your deposit by using my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You cannot withdraw the bonus. This bonus is to give you buying power. I explained this also in the tutorial of PrimeXbt in the description. So the 25k levels, the 20k levels that the bears were calling for the next coming months, seems like it is pretty far away from now. We definitely saw JP Morgan calling for 25k. We saw Robert Kiyosaki put in a tweet of 24k levels expected. Guys, remember, when these big giants call for these levels, it is very unlikely that this is going to come. So we still need to be cautious though. We're not out of the woods just yet. Anyway, you know my call right over here. I do think this is looking very bullish, but I'm not going to chase the price. We are waiting for a retracement around the $36,000 range, okay? This is a clear long with low leverage. We want our stops very far away and continue this trend. This is a clear trend reversal, in my opinion. Now let's take a quick look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is also looking very bullish. Yesterday we did talk on my video that the $2,200 range is a major resistance. It is the weekend, and Monday morning today we've finally broken out from this range. Now, there is a huge amount of volume here for Ethereum. So if we do have this retracement to the $2,200, currently at $2,350, it is going to be a major long opportunity in my opinion. Okay, I will be placing long myself if we do come down to these levels. It has been a critical resistance point and also a support level right over here. Even if we zoom back here, we can clearly see we bounced as support very nicely here. So it is very likely we've had a consolidation also here yesterday for quite a few hours. So if we do come back down to the 2,200, I do believe so that we'll be coming back up again to retest just below the $2,400, okay, potentially 2,350. This would be a clear point to exit here on this trade. I do not think that we are going to break below this huge amount of volume, okay, on the retracement that the price of Ethereum is going to do. So $2,200 range is good for buying in my opinion. Now this is what I've got for today's episode, guys. Remember also that the price of Ethereum has been breaking out from this major descending wedge. This is also a very good buying opportunity as soon as we break $2,400, sorry. We have another cluster here of support and resistance, and it does look like that we've clearly made a double bottom scenario. So watch out for this potential trade. Breaking $2,400 can maybe confirm that we are going to come all the way to the $2,900 range, okay, from the breakout of 2,400. The next major support resistance, is $2,900, because we couldn't get above this range as soon as we had the massive May sell-off. We were bouncing every single time, getting rejected at the 2,900. This would be the target, okay, from this double bottom scenario, breaking 2,400 with a huge amount of volume and buying pressure. This would be the target here for the next coming days or weeks, and we are definitely going to get some type of rejection anyway at $2,900. This is going to be it for today's episode, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news and technical analysis. The latest news here is millions in crypto short position liquidated during BTC price surge. You can check this out. The link is in the description. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial to learn how to trade on those platforms, video on the screen right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.